Just on the corner over there. It's not too bad. Ooh, nice. Alright. Oh, we got a little cousin Maine Lobster there. Sweet.
I want to take a picture.
Okay.
Super nerdy. Ordering ahead, man. Way to go.
Good job. Good job. Ooh. Well, God, it's really small, but I know it's lobster.
It was $16 for the lobster.
Oh my God, really? Wow, thank you. Alright, the big moment.
Cousin's Maine Lobster. This is the Connecticut. It's warm with lemon butter.
Alright, ready?
Go for it.
Okay.
I'm going to try the warm one first.
Okay.
This is the Maine. It's cold with mayonnaise.
Oh wow, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's beautiful.
All right, I'll steal that one.
Well,
Well, that's just all bread.
mm-hmm.
Go for it. If you
A
want
little
it.
bit of meat, no?
I'm good.
Oh my God.
Here, here, here.
It's all claw meat too.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, delicious.
Thumbs up.
Mmm. You got a lemon on there? Yeah.
Yeah, a little lemon.
Mm-hmm. Please. There we go. Oh wow.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh man. Oh my God. Good.
Okay, here we go.
Oh man. Oh. Oh, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
So yummy.
Mmm. Which one do you prefer? This one? Or are they both good?
They're both fucking delicious.
Winner, winner.
I kind of like that one a little bit better.
A little bit better?
Mmm.
There's that nice chunk of claw right there.
Oh, uh-oh.
Messy, but amazing.
I think I got the last bit, so. Oops. Whole thing?
Mm-hmm. Mmm. I like that one better. I don't know. They're both really good.
They're both great, but just different flavors.
Well, that didn't last long.
No. Good stuff.